Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to safely perform a factory reset operation on your iPad Air 13 2026. First of all, make sure that you have at least 50% of charge on your iPad. Better off just connect it to the charger and keep it charging during this entire operation. Tip number 2, make sure that you didn't forget to back up anything into the cloud or to external SSD storage. And once you are ready, go to settings. Then in settings we have to open general on the sidebar, scroll all the way down to transfer or reset iPad setting, select it, then select erase all content and settings. This will begin the factory reset operation. Now we want to tap continue, erase iPad, enter the passcode to confirm. Then if you still forgot to back up your data, your iPad will do everything for you. Well, unless you don't have any space in your iCloud, then you can still perform erasing without backup. After that, you're gonna have to confirm your password, so enter the password to your Apple account in here. Tap turn off to confirm, and so wait a moment. As you can see here, we have the loading icon, so let's give it a moment. Okay, and right now we just have to wait until the factory reset operation is performed, so we can see the progress on this bar underneath the Apple logo. Just make sure that keep your device charging and wait until this operation is finished. And at this point, the factory reset operation is finished. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.